So this is my entry for the AeroPress 2021 competition. We've got our lovely Bluebird Volan Azul coffee here. Very, very interesting and unique coffee. As well as the water we got sent, the AeroPress Championship water. So I've got my AeroPress set up on the inverted method on my black Timor mirror scale, and as you can see, it's all plunges all the way down to number 4, and I've got 16 grams of medium fine ground coffee in the AeroPress. So the water's just about boiled, so I'm just going to grab that. Okay, so we are going to reset our scale and start our timer, and we are going to add 120 grams of water over 10 seconds. Okay, it's 10 seconds. There we go. And then what I like to do is I'm going to give it a nice gentle stir for 30 seconds. So I like to stir 10 stirs in one direction and then 10 stirs in the other direction, roughly. It's not a rule, but I like to stir for 30 seconds. So our total time will be at the 40-second mark. Okay, there we go, 40 seconds. And we're going to top up with water to the 200 gram mark. So top it up with water all the way to 200 grams. 190, there we go, 200 grams of water. We now at 1 minute. I'm going to give it 3 gentle stirs just to make sure everything's nicely mixed. And now we're going to let it steep for another 30 seconds till we at 1 minute 30. Okay, at 1 minute 30, I'm going to add our cap. We've got 2 paper filters in here. They just slightly wettened so that they don't fall off when I put my cap on. We're at 125 now. Okay, we're going to add our cap. Just make sure it's nice and tight. Give it a gentle swirl. Invert our AeroPress, or turn it right side up rather. And then we're going to give it a very gentle press. So it should take about 30 seconds to do the press, starting off very gently. Okay, we're halfway through our press. And I like to press all the way till you hear the hiss. At the last 5 or so seconds you can build a bit more pressure, and there we go. Oh, that already smells really good. So there we've got our coffee. The hardest part of being on the mountain is finding a place to put down everything. So we're going to just put that back on the scale, reset our scale, and we're going to add another 30 grams of water, of lukewarm water, so the water already cooled down a little bit. Go. Give it a bit of a swirl just to mix everything through. And there you have it. That's the way I like to brew this coffee. It's a really, really cool, unique tasting coffee. Like I said, lots of berries, which comes through quite nicely, especially if you let the cup cool down a little bit. So, let's taste it. Yeah, that is really good. Cheers, and cheers to the mountains. Lekker.